Four-time Tour de France stage winner Jan Kasipu has taken out stage one of the Jayco Herald Sun Tour in Ballarat. The Estonian was part of a 40-man breakaway that managed to avoid two crashes, one of which claimed one of the Tour's hot favourites.
The roads around Lake Windaree hosted the start and finish of the 149-kilometre out-and-back stage that took in Daylesford and Tilden. The heavy crosswinds and constant attacks meant early carnage, with riders hitting the asphalt just 4 kilometres in. At the 22k mark, one of the hottest riders in the field, Bernard Salzberger, hit the deck hard. After showing excellent form in winning his home tour of Tasmania last week, the tour was over for the 26-year-old from the Apple Isle. His Fly V Australia director, Henk Vogels, surveying the damage to his young star and his team's hopes. An hour into the race, a bunch of 40 riders, including nearly all of the big guns, jumped off the front and opened up a lead that extended out to 10 minutes. The wooded terrain and some steep descents around the Spa country saw Stuart Shaw from the ACT try his luck on a solo run, despite having been involved in an earlier tangle.
I crashed. I'm on a spare bike and may as well make the others chase while my teammates sit there.
But he was reeled in as a lead group steamed into Ballarat at nearly 60 kilometres an hour. And then it became a charge to the line, with Jan Kasipu edging out Chris Sutton and Jonathan Cantwell.
I certainly didn't think about today, but when the race stage went on, I started to feel a little bit better, and then I thought maybe if I am lucky in the sprint, so why not?
Matthew Keenan, Fox Sports.